Since different people have different needs, our list of the top 5 best mattress in a box are of no specific order. So stay tuned till the end, because you never know which of these mattresses could be your perfect match. For more information on any of the mattresses in a box we mentioned, check out the links in the description box down below. Linenspa Memory Foam and Hybrid Mattress. Most affordable. The Linenspa Memory Foam and Hybrid Mattress has consistently proven to be a reliable option for anyone seeking a budget-friendly mattress that doesn't compromise on comfort. The first thing that stands out about this mattress is its combination of memory foam and inner spring coils. This hybrid design offers the perfect balance between softness and support. The memory foam layer provides that comforting, sinking feeling while the coils ensure there's enough firmness to keep your spine aligned. It's an 8-inch mattress, which is a sweet spot for many people who don't want something too high or too low. One thing users love is how quickly the mattress inflates and regains its shape. Within a few hours, it's ready to use. For those concerned about heat, the mattress stays relatively cool, thanks to the breathable cover and airflow through the inner spring coils. Many online reviews mention how well this mattress handles motion transfer, which is surprising given its affordability. If you share the bed, your partner's movements won't disturb your sleep as much compared to other budget mattresses. Also, it's available in various sizes, making it easy to find the right fit for your bedroom setup. Of course, no product is without its drawbacks. Some users noted that the edges of the mattress could be firmer, which can be an issue if you tend to sit on the edge of the bed frequently. And while the mattress is great for back sleepers, side sleepers who need more pressure relief may find it slightly lacking in plushness. Overall, the Linenspa mattress offers excellent value, especially for first-time buyers or those looking for a guest room mattress. Zenus Green Tea Memory Foam Mattress. Best for pressure relief. The Zenus Green Tea Memory Foam Mattress has gained a solid reputation for delivering outstanding comfort, especially for those who struggle with pressure points when sleeping. One of the standout features of this mattress is the infusion of green tea extract and active charcoal into the memory foam. These natural additions are designed to keep the mattress fresh for longer and help in moisture absorption, making it ideal for people who tend to sleep hot or live in humid climates. It's an impressive approach to mattress hygiene that you don't often see at this price point. The mattress layers are well constructed, starting with a high-density foam base that supports the upper layers of memory foam. The result: excellent contouring around your body's natural curves, which is where the pressure relief magic happens. If you're a side sleeper, this mattress really shines by taking the stress off your hips and shoulders, thanks to the soft, adaptive foam. For numbers, the mattress is available in different thickness options, from 6 inches to 12 inches, depending on how plush or firm you want your sleeping experience. The thicker models are more suited for those seeking deeper sinkage and better support for heavier body types. In any case, most users mention that the mattress retains its shape well over time, which is a huge plus. However, there are a few cons. Some reviews point out that the mattress may take a while to fully expand to its full thickness. Others noted that the edge support isn't the strongest, meaning it can feel a bit saggy if you sit or sleep near the sides. Overall, the Zenus Green Tea mattress provides fantastic pressure relief, especially for side sleepers, and it's a solid choice for those on a budget. Tuft and Needle Original Mattress. Best for cooling. The Tuft and Needle Original Mattress is a fan favorite for many reasons, but one of the most appealing aspects is how it manages to stay cool throughout the night. First off, let's talk about its construction. The mattress is made with Tuft Needle's proprietary adaptive foam, which is designed to provide a comfortable blend of softness and support. What sets this foam apart from traditional memory foam is its open cell structure. This allows air to flow freely, preventing heat from getting trapped. Whether you're a hot sleeper or live in a warmer climate, this mattress ensures you won't wake up in a sweat. In terms of firmness, the Tuft and Needle Original lands in the medium firm range, which makes it versatile for all kinds of sleepers' back, side, or stomach. Most users report that it strikes a great balance, giving enough support to keep your spine aligned, while still offering a bit of a soft cradle for comfort. One of the features users love is its durability. The high-quality foam is resilient and maintains its shape over time, which is important when investing in a new mattress. The mattress also comes with a 100-night sleep trial, so if it's not the right fit, returns are easy. But like any product, it's not perfect. Some users noted that the edge support could be stronger, which means if you sit or sleep near the edge, you might feel a bit of a dip. Additionally, while the cooling properties are great for most, a few hot sleepers said they wished it stayed even cooler. Overall, if cooling is your top priority, the Tuft and Needle Original Mattress is an excellent choice. Plus, it's backed by thousands of positive reviews for comfort, durability, and value. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Nectar Memory Foam Mattress. Best for motion isolation. The Nectar Memory Foam mattress is one of the top choices for anyone looking for a mattress that minimizes disturbance from movement, especially if you share your bed with a partner or pet. The first thing that stands out with this mattress is its multi-layered memory foam construction. The top layer is quilted with gel memory foam, designed to offer both comfort and cooling, which is a big plus if you tend to sleep hot. Beneath that, you'll find a contouring memory foam layer that adapts to your body shape, providing excellent pressure relief. But the real magic happens with the base layer, which is high-density foam. This is where the mattress excels in motion isolation. You can move around, get in and out of bed, or even jump without disturbing the person on the other side. Nectar claims that this mattress works well for all sleeping positions, and many users back this up, especially for back and side sleepers. With a medium firm feel, it strikes a nice balance between supportive and plush, making it suitable for most people. The mattress is about 12 inches thick, offering a solid amount of support even for heavier individuals. One of the things users appreciate is Nectar's generous trial period. You get 365 nights to decide if the mattress is right for you, which is almost unheard of in the industry. It also comes with a forever warranty, so longevity is something they stand behind. On the downside, some users have reported that the mattress has a bit of an initial off-gassing smell when first unpacked. Others mentioned that while it's great for most sleepers, it may feel too firm for those who prefer an ultra-plush sleeping surface. Overall, the Nectar Memory Foam mattress is a top choice if you're seeking superior motion isolation, pressure relief, and long-term durability. Purple mattress. Best overall. The purple mattress has earned its place at the top due to its innovative design and unique feel that sets it apart from traditional memory foam or innerspring mattresses. The most notable feature of the purple mattress is its grid technology. Unlike anything else on the market, this hyper-elastic polymer grid flexes under pressure points like your hips and shoulders, but stays supportive under areas like your back. This design not only offers excellent pressure relief, but also provides consistent support across the mattress. It's great for those who suffer from back pain or need extra cushioning without sinking too deeply into the mattress. Another standout feature is its ability to stay cool. The open grid structure allows for plenty of airflow, keeping the mattress cool throughout the night. So if you're someone who tends to overheat, this mattress is a breath of fresh air, literally. The purple mattress is rated as medium firm, which works well for most sleeping positions. Whether you're a back, side, or stomach sleeper, you'll find it adapts well to your body's needs. Additionally, the mattress has an impressive thickness of 9.25 inches, which includes the grid layer and supportive foam base. On the downside, the purple mattress does have a bit of a learning curve. Some users report that it feels different from other mattresses, which may take a few nights to adjust to. Another issue for some is the lack of strong edge support, making it feel a little less sturdy when sitting or lying near the edge. However, most users find that the longer they use the purple mattress, the more they appreciate the comfort and pressure relief it provides. If you're looking for something different that prioritizes cooling and support, the purple mattress is a top contender. So, which of these mattresses do you like the most? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like. It's easier than deciding which mattress in a box to buy. Subscribe and ring that bell. Until next time.